nice to meet
Hi,
you.
lovely to
I'm
meet
Liz,
you.
and thank you very, very much for coming in.
Problem.
I met with Ramona, and I know that you have had a little bit of work done with her on an area of your face that you weren't happy about.
Yes.
Tell us a bit about that.
So I came to Ramona a few years ago. I wasn't happy about my skin. I was trying different makeups and different styles of makeup. It was gone so popular, and I just never liked the way my face looked with or without makeup. And I came in to see her. I had a consultation with her, and straight away she just in full face of makeup, and she said, "I know what's wrong with your skin." And I said, "Do you want me to take off the makeup? Do you want me to sit down in the bed?" "No," she said, "It's okay, I can see already." So I had the onset of rosacea, and I had oily skin here, and I had my pigmentation was changing because of sun damage. So I just started on a course of treatments with her. I had IPL. I had 4 treatments of IPL over the course of about 2 years, I think. And I had microdermabrasion as well.
And did the IPL come first and then the microdermabrasion came second?
Yes. Now, I did have to have a slight half microdermabrasion in preparation for the IPL. It was just to start off my skin.
But the microdermabrasion is really like, well now, you tell me what it is, but it's like an intense deep cleanse, isn't it? And it takes away the top layer of skin.
Yeah.
So your skin is like a baby's bottom,
yes,
I suppose,
yeah,
after you've had a microdermabrasion.
Yeah, it's a bit like a suction as well.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Okay.
It feels fine though.
And is there a bit of downtime after it? You know, are you red or blemished or anything like that?
Yes, you are red, and you're not really. It's suggested that you wouldn't wear makeup for about 5 to 7 days afterwards, and certainly no fake tan, and certainly
God, that's hard.
Yeah, it is. But when you go for it, you kind of you commit to it. It's like anything.
Yeah.
You commit to going for it, and you know, you're kind of put your mind down to it, and you say, okay, fine, no makeup for a week or 5 or 6 days. But you're not that red. Like when you have rosacea, you're not really that. You're red anyway, so it sort of doesn't feel much different.
So that was the prep for the IPL.
Yeah. And
the IPL was the laser treatment that was going to eliminate the rosacea.
Yeah, so it's an intense pulse light. So it's a light that digs down into the depth of of your dermis, and
she
then
talked about the dermis earlier on. Yes, very passionate about that.
Dermis. I know. Every time she talks to me, I get more confused. But I say, you know what you're talking about.
No, you know what you're talking about. It's okay.
Yeah, so like as the name would suggest, a rejuvenation for the skin. You know, and you literally get new layers of skin, and it's healing from the inside out.
And can I ask you, as an outsider just learning about this now, and I have heard the word IPL, or the 3 letters I should say, IPL, being bandied around with some of my friends, I would be thinking that this would be a particularly expensive treatment, and that's what would make me nervous.
Yeah. It was €100 for each treatment, but if you had to go for more than 3 treatments, there was a discount, if you know what I mean. So like a course of 4 or 5 treatments was obviously less than €400 and €500. So, but I don't know at the moment what it would be, but for me it was...
But equally, that was over the space of 2 years?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that wasn't a case of you need to have an IPL every 2 weeks for the next...
Absolutely not.
6 months?
No, absolutely not. You would do them over the space of a certain period of time, and then you wouldn't have them again for a couple of years. Yeah. And it's the same with microdermabrasion. But like that, I would have thought, like, oh, I have to have 10 treatments. It wasn't, because Ramona had said to me, I said, you know, how many will I need? And she'd say, you will need 3 or possibly 4.
She knew.
Yeah, and that was it, you know, and there was no more. And even after the 4th one, I said to her, like, will I need another one? And no, you won't.
So you have beautiful skin.
Thank you.
You do. And you don't have a blemish. You're like a porcelain doll. I mean, your skin is absolutely stunning.
Yeah.
Do you look after it really well now?
Yes. Some nights.
Most nights. Yeah. 5 nights a week you do anyway.
Some nights you can get a bit lazy. A Friday night maybe you get a little bit lazy, but no, I do look after her most nights. But she has kind of instilled that passion and to do it, and you've put that effort in, so you will kind of say, okay, come on, it's my skin. And I certainly have not gone one day without SPF since I met Ramona. Not one day.
Okay.
Yeah,
and
I've never walked out the door without it.
This lady's well able to do lots of other things for the ladies and the men, I suppose, if they wanted it. She can have a little go with the Botox and the crow's feet and the filler lines and all kinds of things.
Yeah.
Have you been tempted in that direction?
Yes, very much so. But Ramona won't let me at the moment, because as soon as one thing gets fixed, I'd say to her, what about the next thing? And she'd say, no, not yet. You know, maybe in a few years' time. But your skin is so good now, she'd say to me. Do you remember when it wasn't, when you were not happy with your skin? And so, but I would be tempted maybe. And she says, wait for a few more years.
It's good advice though, isn't it? I like that. I like that she should say to you now, stop.
Yeah.
Stop it now.
Yeah.
You've had enough and we'll revisit this.
Yeah.